All right. Hear me, please type yes, type yes, type yes in that chat window. Can hear me clearly? Type yes on that chat window. Awesome. Mic check. Can you hear me? All right, ladies and gentlemen. If you can hear me, please do me a favor. Type yes on that chat window. And do me a favor. Type in your name, where you are connected. Type in your name and where you are connected with this stream. All right, so we're going to be trading NASDAQ. Do me a favor, type in your name and your location. Where are you connected? And if you can hear my voice, do me a favor, type yes on that chat window. And type in your name and your location. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. It's my birthday week, so I'm going to be, let me just be sure that all my mics are okay. All right, guys. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where you are connected from. My name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. I know it's been a while that you saw me right YouTube, especially doing live trading or streaming. So today I'm going to be trading NASDAQ, and I'm going to be streaming from here throughout this week. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions. And if you want to join me in the studio, if you are one of my students or you are one of my followers, definitely I have posted the information on our community Telegram and WhatsApp group. So if you want to join me, feel free. So today, let's look into what the market got for us. Last night, the market was so crazy. I mean, the market, especially NASDAQ, sold off, and I was like, what is going on here? I guess it's not all about this tariff issue, the tariff war. So let's take a look at the calendar for the week. Let's take a look at the calendar for the week. Please do me a favor, if you can hear my sound very clearly and you can see my screen. Please do me a favor. If you can see my screen, type yes on that chat window. If you can see my screen, type yes. If you can hear my voice, type yes, and you can see my screen, do me a favor, type yes on that chat window. Can you see my screen? And can you hear my voice very clearly? All right. So let's see what we have for the week. As you can see, this is our Forex factory. That is where this is Forex factory. So that is the calendar, as you can see. So right here, you see we are expecting ISM manufacturing PMI news by 9 o'clock. So the market might be waiting for that to react, okay? The market might be waiting for that to react, and that means that if you want to trade NASDAQ, you have to wait, okay? You have to wait, most especially for that, okay? You want to wait for that because you don't want to be caught unaware, okay? So look at this. So Monday, we are expecting IXM, PMI news. Tomorrow, which is Tuesday, We're going to be having JOLTS job opening. So that will be 9 o'clock also tomorrow. Wednesday is going to be ADP non-farm employment change. So that will be 7:15 and 9 o'clock also on Wednesday. Thursday, yes, there's going to be unemployment claims. Unemployment claims on Thursday. And Friday is going to be the almighty biggie non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. Okay. So you can see it's going to be a very, very big and busy week. It's going to be a very big and busy week. So once again, please do me a favor, please. If you can see my screen, because I want to be sure that you guys can hear me clearly. Okay, I see Marvis. I see Marvis, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
I see Marvis joining me here in the studio. Someone says, Sonex, can someone really master Forex trading, boss? And can someone really become worthy through trading the financial market? Absolutely, yes, you can. You can, but then you have to first of all go through the training. You have to first of all go through the training, make sure you know what you are doing, Forex or futures or cryptos or stocks or whatever you are trading is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you approach it with a get rich quick scheme mentality, then definitely you're going to get yourself bumped. Okay, that is what makes people to lose money. So you don't want that to happen to you. But I mean, by His grace, I've been trading now since 2006. Even though I have some detours, some roadblocks about 2.5, 3 years ago, but here am I bouncing back. So yes, you can definitely get rich. There are a lot of people, a lot of rich forex traders, futures traders, cryptos traders, but then you want to be sure that you know what you are doing. Okay, so we have gone through the calendar. It's 8:30. We missed that initial move. So right now the market is okay, as you can see, is pushing up. So I'm going to go to 1 minute. Let me draw my high. So we have that trend line broken already. That trend line is broken already. I missed that initial move. I missed that initial move. So I'm going to draw my high right there. And I'm going to be drawing my low to get that zone. So let's see. I'm going to be deleting this. I'm going to be deleting this to kind of make my chart. So right now, you see, it comes back, retest that, and it looks like it's going back. It's going back up. Can you see my screen very clearly, guys? Can you see my screen very clearly? I'm doing price action. I'm going to be activating my. Then, if you are watching me, I'm trading futures. Okay, I'm trading futures, but then the same strategy you can apply to trade forex. Okay, you can apply the same strategy to trade forex. You can apply the same strategy to trade futures. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trading futures. Okay, but it's the same thing. This is NASDAQ. So like what happened yesterday, the market gap down. Okay, the market gap down. So what I am expecting, you see, if you go to 15 minutes, if you go to 15 minutes, the market gap down seriously yesterday. See, look at here. The market gap down from here to here. So now, anytime the market gap down like this is very huge. This is very massive, almost over 1,000 ticks. Okay, over 1,000 ticks. So what happened is sometimes the market might just continue in that direction. And of course, fundamental wise, we know there is a lot of a tariff battle war going on now between US, Mexico, Canada. So all of that can affect USD. So I'm expecting this market, if it breaks this level here, then it's going back to the opening of that gap yesterday. Okay, but then if it breaks out downward here, then I'm expecting it to come and retest the low here. So that is exactly what I'm expecting. So I'm going to be turning on my previous day high and low indicator, and I'm going to be turning on my moving averages. So if you are watching me, don't be confused. I'm a technical trader, okay, and I love using technical indicators. So I'm going to go back to 1 minute. Remember, I drew this zone, okay, I drew this zone here. So this is my high and the low of the first 1 minute candle. It goes up, it come back and retest. So now if this goes up, I might be going long, okay, I might be going long because yes, it looks like we're going to continue upward. So I'm going to enter a buy, okay. So right there, let's see, I enter a buy. My stop loss, I'm going to be putting my stop loss right here, set stop, in case if it comes back down. So this is my stop loss right here, okay. You know, it's not easy to trade at the same time, train at the same time. So you see, I drew my first 1 minute, okay, right there. It breaks out, it come back. There's a displacement here, which I expect that momentum to continue to this end of previous day here. So let's see. So that is why I put that buy, and I put my stop loss right here. Okay, I put my stop loss right here. But then if it goes against me, if you go against me, this is where I'm cutting my loss, and I will try and stay disciplined not to move my stop loss. So if this, okay, so that goes up right there, okay. So let's see, I'm going to move this stop loss right here to the wick of that. You see, this wick. So if it reverses against me, I won't lose too much. Okay. Also, you can see this is my moving average. So I have my 921 and 34 moving average. And when you see RSI, my RSI is above 50, but then it looks like it's coming back down now. Oops, it's going to cut me off right there. Let's see. Okay, it takes me out. Okay. So but that's still good. That's still good. That's why you have to make sure you reduce your your risk. Okay, risk and money management is very, 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 very important. I'm trading on 1 minute because of the time that we have together. But then when you look at here. So I have my MACD still up. So because I thought does not mean that I will still not go long. My bias is still long, okay? So this is my high, this is my low of this 1 minute candle. So it has gone up, it came back to retest, it's still going back up. I'm still going to join that up move again. But let me cut, I have another trade on another computer, which I'm going to be cutting just to be on the safe, right, okay? So I take care of that one, okay? So I believe you guys can hear my voice, right? I see Marvis is with me here in the studio. Okay, so you see what the market did. It came back, tapped my stop loss, and now is continuing my direction. So we got to this place. So let's see if we go continue that up. So that is what it just did right there. It's called liquidity sweep. But it's okay. It happens most of the time in trading. It happens most of the time. But you just have to make sure that you know your audience and you. So now we get to this high. So this is the high I was expecting. Okay, this is the high I was expecting. That okay, if it might continue from that place or it might bounce back. So I'm going to risk it again. So let's see if I can quickly catch what it took from me.
Order filled.
My stop loss is going to be right below there. If you reverse this against me, also I'm cutting it because I'm trading futures. So it's okay, good, awesome, boom. So I just cut, I just cut that. I just cut what it took from me. I just cut it back. Now I'm going to go to 5 minutes because I've already, normally I trade on a 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But because of the news and of course, because of this session that I'm having with you guys, that is why I quickly trade on 1 minute. So after the first 15 minutes, 30 minutes, I moved to 30 minutes. So that is what I do. I move to 30 minutes. You can see, like if I share my screen, you see, if I share my screen now, I have another trade on platinum. Oh, it is set right now. So that also is a profit. So this is evaluation. If you happen to be trading Forex, futures, and you want to trade futures, presently I trade with Apex, and right in the description of this video, you will see the link where you can join Apex. I believe they are doing 80% promo right now. Depends on when you are watching this video. Okay, so we got to that high, we close below. So this is a sell signal actually. If I'm doing 100% price action, whenever the market goes above the high of previous day and close below it, most of the time it is a sell. It's a sell. So if I enter a sell here, my stop loss goes there. So that is 190. So my take profit will be like a 380. That is 1 to 2 right there. But then the reason why I will not put this sell right now, Mavis, can you hear me? Because I see that you are in and out. Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. So the reason why I will not put this the way I drafted it is because number one, my moving averages is up. Number two, my MACD is up. Number three, my RSI is above 50. So that is why I will not put that sell right now. If I put that sell, it might end up in a loss. So I'm just going to leave it and be looking for a breakout. Okay, it has broken out. Remember, come back to retest. So if this closes bullish, I might put another buy. I'm still on 1 minute. But remember also that we are going to have a news by 9 o'clock. So that news might determine what is going to be happening today in this market. Because remember what I said, on 15 minutes, if you look at it, the market gap down. Okay, the market gap down. So with that being said, you have to be very, very mindful of your positions, of your tradings, your money and risk management. So like what I have right now, okay, it went up, it came back to retest my moving average. So what I'm going to be doing again is looking for opportunity to go long. If you look at this very well, there is a rejection right there. There's another rejection right there. Okay, there's a rejection, there's another rejection. So there's a rejection, there's another rejection. So right there and there, I might be, go long again. Let me see. My stop loss is going to be, I'm going to be doing mental stop loss, guys. If he reverses against me, I'm going to be cutting that trade. Okay, awesome. So let's see. If it reverses, I'm going to be closing it real quick. It's in and out, guys. In and out, in and out. If you're trading with me, I'm on a buy. But then, if it closes, okay, you see, it closes against me right there. I'm going to, let me wait if it will go back up. Let me wait and see. Okay, it's coming back down. I close it. If it go back up, I'm going to enter a buy. Now, this is what I'm doing ultra scalping. Okay, right now what I'm doing is ultra scalping. If I'm trading on 5 minutes, then 5 minutes will be, look at it. So this is 5 minutes, this is high, 5 minutes now. Candle, this is low of this 5 minutes. So I'm going to remove this from here. Okay, see, take a look at this. This is my RSI. You need your RSI to be up. not to be down like this. Even though the trend is up, but RSI is pointing towards zero. You don't want that. So I have my high of my first 5 minutes candle. I have my low. So I'm going to be waiting right now for the news. Okay, let me see my start for today. I caught three trades, one win, two losses, and well, I'm still in profit right now. Okay, so we're gonna be waiting. This right here. This is up of the first 5 minutes candle. This is low of the first 5 minutes candle. If it breaks out downward right here, the market might be selling off. Remember what I said here? I said something right here that because of this gapping, see the market gap down, and because it gapped down over 1,000 tips, okay, it might continue in this direction downward. But if it's able to take out this high, which we are still looking at, then the market will move from here to fill that gap. So that is exactly what I'm looking at right now. So I'm going to go back to 1 minute and see what we have there. I trade on 5 minutes majorly, but because of this session, by the way, this week is my birthday, so that's why I'm just doing this celebration with you guys, trading live. And for the rest of this week, by His grace, we will be having this. Okay, so you see that crosses over. This is below 50. This looks like this is going to sell. I might be wrong, but then I will be waiting for this also to cross over. Let me wait. I will wait for this to cross over right there, up there. This is already crossed over. I have my Instagram right here, right? And of course, RSI is also below zero. But remember, I'm on 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, you cannot trust it. You cannot trust 1 minute that much. You cannot trust 1 minute that much because anything can happen when it comes to 1 minute. It's full of noise. Okay. If you have any question, please do me a favor. Type in your question if you are not here in the studio with me. I promise I'm going to respond to your question. And if I don't respond immediately during this streaming, I promise you, one way or the other, I will still get it. And I'll definitely respond. Okay, so I'm on 1 minute. As you can see, the noise is too much. So let's see what we got. Okay, so it breaks down here. It pull back to retest this my 34. Here is below, here is below. But because I don't have my crossover there yet, I'm still waiting to make that happen. If it happens, then I will be putting a sell there. Let's see what we got. I'm going to wait for that to close 16 seconds. If it closes below this, yes, I'm going to put that sell. Remember, there is a news. Okay, there is an economic news coming up in the next 12 minutes. So you want to be very mindful of that also. We've picked some trades quickly, and we'll just wait to see what the market has for us. See why you need to always wait for candle to close. See why you need to always wait for candle to close. You need to always wait for candle to close. Okay, so you see right there. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be selling. This looks like it's going to be selling. I'm going to put a sell. But then let me look at this is 5 minutes to the news. 5 minutes to the news. The news can splash up or down. Okay, so we have to be very, very careful. Let me see. You have, okay, so you have NASDAQ on 15 minutes is still up. On 15 minutes, we're still up. So I'll be very careful in selling this right now. Go to 15 minutes, we're still up. Remember, we're on 1 minute sound. 1 minute could be very, very noisy. So 1 minute could be very, very, very noisy. The noise in 1 minute is too much. So let's go down to 5 minutes. If you go to 5 minutes, you can see this looks like we will be selling definitely. Come to this place, clear all this liquidity before it reverses up. Let me see. Now this is on 5 minutes. But this candle, look at this momentum. It's very, very strong. It's very, 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 very strong. Very, very strong. This bearish candle. But then this did not take out this high. This has taken out this low of this candle. This is candlestick anatomy, right, guys? So this has taken out this low, the wick of this. But because the news is coming in the next few minutes, this can still reverse up. This can reverse up. That is why you want to be careful. MACD is still above zero. RSI is ranging right there. So you want to be very, very careful. Now, with the news, you want to also wait for the first 5 minutes to see what the market can before you pull the trigger. Okay, before you pull the trigger. If it goes back up here, break out from this. This is the first 5 minutes candle. If it goes up here, come back to the test, then it's going up. Remember our first 1 minute candle that we have. You still remember? This is the first 1 minute candle. Right there. It goes up. It comes back. The test. It goes up. It comes back. Now, it looks like this market is going to sell. If I put a sell, my stop loss will go right there. But then, news is coming in the next 8 minutes, guys. You don't want to be on away. So you want to wait and see. Okay? Right now, we are up. We are up for today. So, same thing. That's what matters most. Okay, so to look very well, this looks like it's going to sell. Maybe I'm going to risk it. I'm risking it and I'm putting my stop loss right here.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm putting my stop loss right here. So if it comes back against me, it's going to cut me off from this place, which is okay. With what I'm risking, I think I'm good with that risk. Okay, I'm on 1 minute, so that's what I'm looking at. If you're on higher time frame, like 15 minutes, you will not be putting this sell. So let's see. Okay, you will not be putting this sell. Okay, so right there. Okay, still it mitigate that, so looks like it clears those liquidity. Let's see. It has cleared this, it has cleared this. It can still make it. You see right here, it's still low right there. There's still liquidity right here. You can go back to clear that. But my stop loss is way up there, so I'm going to see if I can reduce it. If this one move down, how many minutes to be? 6 minutes to be. Okay, let's see. All right, so I caught that. It's a very small profit. I caught it. The reason why I caught that trade, guys, is because the liquidity has been swept. Yeah. If you draw this straight line, The market has cleared all this liquidity here. So anything can happen. Okay, now I have the crossover here. Let me remove this one. I don't need this again. Always try to keep my chart clean. Can you guys hear my voice, please? Can you hear my voice, guys? Can you hear my voice, guys? You are in the studio, Marvis. Can you hear my voice? And then, you guys that are watching on YouTube,
Yes,
can you hear my
I can.
voice? Okay, good.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. So, how are you doing today?
yes, I can hear your voice.
Okay, good. So,
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Happy birthday in advance.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So we're waiting for the news in the next 5 minutes. I'm not going to be putting any trade again for now. Just anything can happen. Once I finish this session, I actually go to 5 minutes. But most of the time I trade on 5 minutes. That is my comfort zone. If you go to 15 minutes now, you see the market is still up, guys. The market is still up. You can see that we might be having a buy on higher time frame. See, on higher time frame, the market is up. And then on lower time frame, it looks like it's selling. So that's why we want to look at what is going on the higher time frame before you put the trigger on the lower time frame. You don't just want to be trading on 1 minute line. You want to look at the market very well. So here now, I still leave this because this is where the market gap to. I'm high in this place very well. I'm high in this place from here to here. If the market can come over here, break this high, it's going back to fill that gap. Because of the news, I'm going back again to 1 minute, but let's see what is happening on 5 minutes. See 5 minutes, it's here, it's come back 1, 2, 3. That looks like okay, it's a sell. But then RSI has come back above 50. My MACD is flat right now. So once again, I'm going to wait to see the news, the reaction, the first 5 minutes matters. Okay, the first 5 minutes. Whether you are trading Forex or you are trading futures, it's the same thing. The strategy is the same thing. You just wait. Forex is all about waiting. Okay, let me repeat So, Forex is all about waiting. It's all about waiting. You wait for the right time. If you are not scalping like I'm doing, you also want to wait for your trade to get to maturity. That is if you are trading on higher time frame, like I call 5 minutes, 15 minutes higher time frame when I trade futures. If I'm trading Forex, of course, I definitely trade on 4 hours or 15 minutes. So here, this is 2 minutes to the news. Remember, we want to look at the first 5 minutes, guys. I don't want to jump. The news, you don't want to jump. News can be very, very volatile. If you go to 1 minute, it looks like we're going to be having a sell. It looks like we're going to be having a sell on 1 minute. But then, when you come to 5 minutes, so this is what I'm targeting. Remember, my bias is buy. But then I want it to come up here, take out this high, retest it, then continue up. That is what I am expecting. Okay, that is what I'm expecting. But then if the market sell off, I try these days not to be selling indices. Okay, the news. Okay, good, awesome. So now the news is out. So I try not to sell indices, even if indices is selling off. I want to wait to see a very good opportunity for me to buy, because most of the trade that I have lost in the past was as a result of selling NASDAQ, selling indices. So it's always good to wait, to let the market does whatever it wants to do, then pull the trigger. So, like right now, if you look, remember my bias is still to buy. So I'm going to draw this trend line. If it continues up and break this trend line, I might not even wait for it to get over there. I will just see what I can do. It has already broken this. Okay, it has broken this trend line right here. But then it's okay. On 1 minute, it will look as if it wants to sell. But remember what we said. 1 minute is it could be a killer. So just okay. 1 minute could be a killer. So you want to be sure of what you are doing. Okay, the market is trying to wait for others. Traders like me are waiting. Okay. Let me remove my hand from the mouse. This is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. This is a sell signal. But my bias is a buy. So let's see what we got. Remember, we're on 1 minute. Okay, we're on 1 minute, so you have to wait. By the way, if you are watching this and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do me a favor, subscribe to that channel. Okay. For the rest of this week, this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be streaming my trading live on YouTube. And let's see if I might continue after this week, but at least for this week to celebrate my birthday with me, this is what I'm going to be doing. By His grace, I've been trading Forex since 2006. So this is making it like almost, how many years? 18 years, thereabouts, that we've been in this game. So it's been a while. Okay. So on 1 minute, it looks like we are selling. But then I'm not going to jump. I ain't going to. Okay. This is sell. This is sell. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I rather buy indices than selling it. Okay. I rather buy indices than selling it. No matter how down it goes, to surely come back up. And if we don't pick another trade right now, at least we've tried. This is what we have so far for today. This is what we have so far for today. As you can see, so I'm using a copier, copying this trade. These are evaluation accounts. So just trading this to pass this challenge. And this is with Apex. So if you want to get account like that, if you are in a country where you can trade futures, then if you click at the description box, you will see my coupon code that you can use to get it at 80% discount. 80%. So say you want to get 50K accounts. I mean, you're looking into less than $30 together. Okay. So if you are trading Forex, I still trade Forex. I trade Forex, and we're going to during this week also we're going to be, instead of trading futures, we're going to be trading Forex. You see, it's still the same thing. The moment you know what you are doing, it's still the same. It's still the same thing. Just for instance, let me see. If I pull out, let me look for one of my Forex. Let me look for one of my Forex accounts. This is this is okay. This is Forex. This is Forex. So when you look at, let me see. Let's bring this one out. Yeah, this is Forex. Let me stop this. Then I'm going to stream from the other side. I'm going to be streaming. It's like we have that. So this is share screen. I'm going to be sharing the other screen, which is a screen. That'll be screen 3. Right. So this will be this one. So this is Forex. You see right here, where are you? Okay, so you can see, so this is the reason why NASDAQ is doing what it's doing. Look, take a look at this. So you can see this supply block is forcing it not to, go up. So what we have been saying is that if it breaks this place, okay, just for the advantage of those that trade Forex and you are watching this, if it breaks this, let me change that to the wrong color. It's like blue. So if it breaks this supply block, this is what I'm saying, it's going to go up here. Okay, it's going to go up there, but it's fighting it. It's really, really fighting it. This is on 15 minutes. Let me see Tradermatic. You can see it also on Tradermatic. So it's fighting it. There's a supply order block there. There's a demand order block. So if you come back, it's coming back to retest this demand order block here. By the way, this is Tradermatic 4.0. So if you want to get this, you can private message me. And if you happen to be one of my students, definitely I believe you have this already. So you can see this is Tradermatic. This trader, we are working to make this available to the marketplace actually very soon. So let me see. It looks like NASDAQ is pulling down. I try as much as I'm tempted to put a sell, but I'm not. I'm trying so hard not to sell it. So you can see, so it's still the same thing that we are doing right here. So either you are trading Forex or you are trading futures, it's just the same thing. You just make sure that you know what you are doing. Okay, you know what you are doing. And once you pull in your trade, put your stop loss, make sure that you limit your risk. And okay, once you do that, I believe you'll be in a good shape. Okay. So once again, I want to thank you guys. You can see the trade is not really not too big today, but of course, not bad at all. It's not bad at all. We're going to do this again tomorrow. And if you happen to be trading, I mean, the trading is just starting. The news just came out 8 minutes ago. So sometimes the market will go up, down, stabilize, then continues. Okay. If you have any questions, as I said, please make sure you type your question. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any question for me at all, you know how to get me. You can get me on Telegram. You can get me on WhatsApp. I'm always available on those two. And you can send me an email. And by the way, I actually have something for you guys. If you are following the trend of cryptocurrency right now, you discover that this is the time to actually plug into that. So if you want to benefit from this crypto boom, especially Solana, there's a link at the description there to download my report. Okay, I call it Crypto Hidden Riches. You know the name of my company is Hidden Riches LLC. So Crypto Hidden Riches will expose to you how you can leverage what is going on right now with altcoins, most especially Solana, and benefit from that. Okay. So once again, I want to say thank you guys for today. It's 30 minutes traders. We've spent about 40 minutes, which is not bad at all. Okay. Thank you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.